I am over 50, and over 50 means that you have sweats and you can't sleep and mood swings and just everything that's terrible about being over 50. So I came in to get that fixed. I couldn't sleep at night. I'd wake up soaking wet. I definitely had no energy. I would sit on the couch, scrolling my phone, looking at people working out, going, I just don't have any energy to do anything. My mood was terrible, my memory loss, I couldn't function. So when I came into ageRejuvenation, I gave a simple blood sample and they tested that to find out my levels. And what we found was that my testosterone was in the single digits, my estrogen was off the chart, and then other things that I didn't even know, like I didn't have vitamin D, or my thyroid was low. I was really shocked to know that the hormones affect so many things in your life, like your memory loss or weight gain or sleeplessness. So it's not a magic pill for everyone, but it's a process that they did for me for what my levels were. I have more energy, I sleep at night, I actually started going back to the gym. I've lost about 20 pounds that I gained when my hormones were out of whack, so they've really helped me get me back. Thank you, ageRejuvenation, for helping me get my life back.